advantage of framing the question. I've framed the question, I've thought through it, I've done some reading. Okay, I have the advantage of time and experience with me. For you guys, what we want is आप क्या ये question को interpret कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं? Once I've told समझ में आ रहा है आपको, ठीक है. But maybe on your own also, can you at least identify one, 2 points here, 1, 2 points here? Yesterday somebody asked me, sir, आप बताओ कि when I get a geography question or any question, what should be the key 3, 4 things I should do? So I've told this to you, I'm repeating. One important thing is identify the keywords. Like I say, इस question में keywords were philosophical, methodological, analysis, location of ये keywords हैं. तो आपके आंसर में ये कीवर्ड दिखना चाहिए. The philosophically it is this and these are the merits, demerits. Methodologically it is this, that demerits and there are merits. So identify the keywords. Second is be very conscious about the directive. The question directive hai. Is it saying analyze, explain, comment? Largely I'll categorize all these key directives into 3 categories. One is the illustrate type, illustrate, okay, examples के साथ, elucidate, simplify, समझा दो हमें. The second type will be analyze, discuss. इसमें ना pros and cons आ जाता है. Analysis and discussion type, you've got pros and cons. इसमें is more straight types. This is the what type of questions. This is the why type of questions. And the third directives are the comment type. Analyze, discuss, evaluate. ये सब examine, ये सब एक ही type का ही मान के चलो आप. Here the more focus is on the reasons. Tell us the reasons and give us an evaluation. Analyze something, give the reasons, give evaluation. Or a comment type. Comment type is more like giving your opinion. It's like आप judgment pass कर रहे हो. So be careful about it. ये 3 क्या, बाकी सारे words all can be fit into these 3 categories more or less. Are they straight what type of questions? Are they analytical reason, pros, cons type of questions, or are they comment or opinion questions? My suggestion is कुछ भी question पूछेगा ना, ये पक्का करना. अगर what भी पूछता है, bring some analysis. Pros and cons नहीं पूछा है, एक paragraph डाल देना, maybe conclusion में. Okay, because this is where the richness lies. So this one. And third thing you should do is question देखते ही try to break it up in terms of a story. ये बार-बार हम करा चुके हैं अभी तक. Almost every class I do 1 or 2 questions. Okay, tell me the storyline. पहले क्या लिखोगे, फिर क्या लिखोगे? Okay, for this question, the first is, what are location approaches in geography? Von Thunen, Weber, patterns हैं, circular patterns हैं, ये हैं. The second will be, what are the philosophical elements of location approach? लिख देना उसको, along with analysis, कहाँ good है, कहाँ bad है. Then, what are the methodological approaches in location studies? एक है paragraph and plus and consequences. Have a diagram in terms of table. So what is location studies? Philosophical approach, methodological approach, put a diagram and conclusion. Conclusion is that it was largely a product of QR. These are what it did. But under the humanistic revolution, the location approach is no longer as important. Because the pattern की बात ही नहीं होती है. The modern geography is no longer fixated around too much of location generalizations. Leave it at that. अगर आपने इसे तोड़ दिया ना, we have got no problem. You know क्या चाहिए, 4 part लिखना है. What location approach? The philosophical elements and evaluation, the methodological element evaluation. Make a table if you can make a table summarizing everything and conclusions. Okay, this was okay in QR, but things have changed since then, particularly after the humanistic revolution. You are done. तो कोई भी question पूछेगा ना, ये break करना बहुत important. Otherwise, you are trapped. So most people cannot develop answer because they cannot see for themselves. कि पहले ये लिखेंगे फिर. Then you keep on writing random. जो मन में आता है लिख रहे हो आप लोग जब आ रहा है.